Hello and welcome to another episode of the Jimny Diaries. We are back, we're here on my driveway and we are fitting some replacement parts for something I broke on the Jimny. This is a rear seat release. It's a small little sort of thing made of plastic, and I broke one of the ones off the rear seats when I threw a mountain bike in the back of it back in, I want to say November last year. So I've been waiting a year to replace this. I ordered the parts at the start of lockdown, they arrived, then I just didn't fit them. So that's what we're going to do today. It's cold and I want to get this over and done with so I can go back inside and have a cup of tea. But we've got the parts, we've got the car, let's get fixing.